Your Tbaytel email can be set up on an Apple iOS device through a dedicated email app such as Apple Mail, or accessed through a web browser. This video will guide you through the process step by step. 1. On your Apple iPhone, tap on the Settings icon. 2. Scroll down and tap Mail, followed by Accounts. 3. Tap Add Account, tap Other, then tap Add Mail Account. 4. Enter your name, email address, and password in each of the corresponding fields. The description should be Tbaytel. Tap Next at the top right corner. Although uncommon, some mail accounts may not set up automatically. If that happens during your setup, follow these steps. 1. At the top of the screen, choose IMAP. IMAP is recommended, as POP3 does not allow for mail synchronization across multiple devices and is not fully supported. 2. Make sure the name, email, and description fields are correct from the previous screen. Enter the following under Incoming Mail Server. From hostname, enter mail.tbaytel.net. For username, enter your full email address. For password, enter your email password. 3. Enter the following under Outgoing Mail Server. For hostname, enter mail.tbaytel.net. For username, enter your full email address. For password, enter your email password. Even though the username and password boxes say they are optional, they are not. They must be entered after the email address is entered. 4. When completed, tap Next at the top. If all information was entered correctly, it will verify and show check marks before proceeding to the next screen automatically, where you can tap Save. If there was a mistake made anywhere, you might see one of the following messages. Username or password are incorrect. Re-enter your username and password. Cannot connect to mail.tbaytel.net. Make sure your internet is working on the device, Wi-Fi is connected, or data is enabled and available. Cannot connect using SSL. Would you like to try setting up the account without SSL? Click No and try verifying again. It may require a few attempts before it will verify. Still have questions? We're here to help. Explore the self-help section of our website or call to speak with one of our technical support technicians 24/7 at 807-623-4400.